Hello students, let us discuss about the types of budgets. In this video, budget and budgeting, various types of budgets, classification according to time, function and flexibility. These are the topics we are going to discuss in this video. Budget is a detailed plan of operations for some specific future period. It is an estimated prepared in advance of the period to which it applies. So budget is, we all known about the budget which is prepared every year. When we talk about the government authorities, every year state government budget is prepared, central government budget is prepared, right? That is the government authorities, the budget prepared by them. But when we talk about the business, in business the organization should prepare every year the budget, and the budget is nothing but the estimated thing throughout the year, what is to be done, how is to be spent, and how we can earn money. All the particulars will be budgeted, and accordingly the business activities and performance will be moved together. One of the definitions here, George R. Terry has given like this: budget is an estimate of future needs arranged according to an orderly basis, covering some or all of the activities of an enterprise for a definite period of time. So this is the definition in which it is explained very clearly, and we can also understand what is budget, and this is one of the best definition given by George R. Terry. Budgeting is the most common, useful and widely used standard device of planning and control. See, budget is the thing which is prepared by the business organization. When we talk about the budgeting, budgeting is the useful and widely used standard device. Planning and controlling can be made by the way of budgeting. Budgeting or planning has become the primary function of management these days. So without budgeting, budgeting is always related to plan. The planning is always tell what is to be done in a systematic way. In that way, when we talk about the finance monetary terms, the budget is very important, and it is the primary function. It is the first function of the managing the activities in finance in these days. Most of the planning relates to individual situations and individual proposals. So how it is related with each other, that means to the expenses and the income. The budget is not only about the expenses, and it is also speaking about the income. So all these incomes and expenses should be budgeted in the budget, so that the business organization will follow that, and accordingly it will have the standardization in their business activities. Types of budget. There are several types of budgets, such as fixed budget, flexible budget, long-term budget, short-term budget, current budget, zero-based budget, etc. So several types of budgets are available, and what are these budgets, right, related to? Let us see one by one. Fixed budget remains unchanged irrespective of the level of activity actually attained. So what does it mean? The fixed budget will not change. It will be constant throughout the year or throughout for few years. Flexible budget is designed to change in accordance with the level of activity. Whereas flexible budget is a budget which will change according to the level of the activity, right? For example, if we are going to produce some 100 units this month, the budget will be for the 100 units. Suppose if we are going to produce 200 units in by next month, then the budget will be accordingly changed. So that is why it is called as flexible. The flexibility will be there, and the changes are possible in flexible budgets. Long-term budget is prepared for the period of 5 to 10 years. So long-term budget, as we all know, if we plan for 5 to 10 years, that is called as a long-term budget. Short-term budget is prepared for the period of 1 to 2 years. Current budget is prepared for the period of few months or weeks. Some budgets are there, some business organizations are there, based on the nature of their product and turnover, they will have the current budget. That means few weeks they will prepare budget, and for few months they will prepare budget. Every few months, every few weeks they will be preparing the budget. That is called as current budget. Zero-based budget. This budget is the primary budget, which is prepared at the time of initiating or beginning or commencing the organization. Zero-based budget is equalizing the expenditure with budgeted figures, and to control the cost, no previous figure is to be taken as a base figure for adjustments, and each activity is to be examined afresh. So when we are preparing the budgets, common budgets, we will take the base figure from the previous years. But whereas in case of a zero-based budget, we need not take and we cannot take the base year, and it is always a fresh budget. These budgets are available and it is applicable to the organization which is going to commence, or which is a new organization which is to be started afresh. The types of budgets are several, even though the classification in those types are possible. Budgets can be classified into different categories from different point of view. The following are most common basis of classification. So what we should understand here, my dear students, according to time we can prepare budget, according to function we can prepare budget, according to flexibility we can prepare budget. So all these are the common basis of classification when we talk about the budgets. Classification according to time. Let us see what are the budgets can be prepared when we discuss according to time. Long-term budget. So already we have seen long-term budget is the budget which is designed for a long period, generally for a period of 5 to 10 years is termed as long-term budget. So this is prepared for the period, particular period, that is why it is coming under the classification of time. Medium-term budget. Similarly, these budgets are designed for the period of 3 to 5 years, and this is also coming classified under the time. Short-term budget. These budgets are prepared for a period of generally not exceeding 3 years. Classification according to time. These two more budgets are there. Current budgets. Already we have seen these budgets cover a very short period, say a month or a quarter. Rolling budgets. Some companies follow the practice of preparing a rolling budget or progressive budget. A new budget is prepared after the end of each month, quarter or full year ahead. So rolling budgets are nothing but what we have seen. Some companies are there, according to their product nature, they will prepare the budgets for a week, day by day also they prepare for the product if it is necessary. So a few weeks or few days or few months, based on their business turnover or product, they will be preparing. Such a kind of budgets are called as rolling budgets. Classification according to time. So under this classification, sales budget, production budget, purchase budget. What is sales budget? The budget forecasts total sales in terms of quantity, value, items, periods, areas, etc. Production budget, this budget is based on sales budget. It forecasts the quantity of production in terms of items, period, areas, etc. So sales budget is the budget which is related to the sales, right? How much the sales is to be done, and accordingly the sales team will be prepared. So based on the sales, the production budget will be prepared, because the sales, if it is increased or decreased, accordingly the production will be affected. Purchase budget. The budget forecasts the quantity and the value of purchase required for production. So purchase budget is related to the purchase. What are the quantities, the volume of the quantity required for the business, that is to be budgeted. Then followed by that, cash budget, master budget and research budget. The budget is a forecast of the cash position by time period for a specific duration of time, that is cash budget. So cash budget is always prepared. Every day also we can prepare for the cash business. They may prepare cash budget for every day or every fortnight or every week or every month. Master budget, it is a summary budget incorporating all functional budget in a capsule form. So master budget will comprise all the budgets, all the types of budgets in a one capsule form, and if we do prepare that, the organization or the managing director will come to know that how the things are to be done. in future. Research budget. The budget relates to the research work to be done for improvement in the quality of the products or research for new products. So research budget are purely depending on the R&D, and the R&D is for the purpose of improvement in the quality of the products. Right? All these budgets are prepared according to the functional. So that is why it is called as functional budgets. Then based on the flexibility, fixed budget and flexible budget. So already we have seen what is the fixed and the flexible. A budget prepared on the basis of a standard or a fixed level of activity is called as fixed budget. It does not change with the change in the level of activity. So fixed budget remains constant for the prescribed period, and accordingly the things are budgeted. Then flexible budget gives a different budgeted cost for different level of activity. It will change according to the level of activity. So flexible budget is having the flexibility to change based on the production level, based on the sales level, and based on the purchase level. So this is how we have to understand the classification of budgets. In a nutshell, I would like to recall budget and budgeting, what is budget and what is budgeting, and various types of budgets available. And even though the types of budgets available, the classification of budgets are needed according to time. We need to prepare such budgets, and according to function, that means the functional budgets are to be prepared, and according to the flexibility, that means fixed and flexible budgets are prepared based on the time and based on the nature of the business. So all these things we need to understand when we talk about the budgets. Thank you. Thank you for listening.